We want to divide these polynomials here, and an important thing to recognize is that these polynomials are not written in standard form, meaning these are not written with our highest power of x first, okay, and then working our way down. And in order to do our long division, they must be written in that form. So when we're writing this out, okay, we're going to take this dividend here, and we want to write this in standard form. So the highest power of x is this 2x to the fourth term. So we write that first. And then we have the x cubed term, so plus 4x cubed. Then our x squared term, which is minus 5x squared. And our x term, which is plus 3x. And then our constant term, which is minus 2. Okay, so there's that polynomial written in standard form. And then we're dividing by this 2x minus 3 plus x squared, and we also want this in standard form. So we write the x squared first, that's the highest power of x, and then the 2x, and then the minus 3. Okay, now we're ready to do our long division. We take our first term here, 2x to the fourth, and we divide it by the first term in our divisor, x squared. 2x to the fourth divided by x squared is 2x squared. Okay, 2 of the x's cancel. We put 2x squared up here, and we multiply 2x squared by this polynomial. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. 2x squared times 2x is 4x cubed. 2x squared times negative 3 is negative 6x squared. And we subtract that. 2x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth is 0. 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. And negative 5x squared minus negative 6x squared, that's actually a plus 6x squared. So we get negative 5x squared plus 6x squared, which is simply x squared. Okay, 3x minus nothing is just 3x. And negative 2 minus nothing is still negative 2. Okay, now we do it again. We take our first term here, x squared, and we divide by this first term here, which is x squared. X squared divided by x squared is 1. We have plus 1. And we take that plus 1 and multiply by this divisor. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. When we subtract, x squared minus x squared is 0. 3x minus 2x is x. And negative 2 minus negative 3 is negative 2 plus 3, which is a positive 1. Okay, now we have here x, and if we were trying to take this x and divide it by x squared, okay, we end up with, well, a dividing by x here. We have a smaller degree on top than we do on bottom, which tells us that we're done. And so to write our result, okay, we have our quotient, the 2x squared plus 1, that's this thing up here that we had, plus, and then we have the remainder, x plus 1 from down here, divided by the original divisor, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay. So this is the result when we divide that polynomial by that polynomial.